crack and then it will crack into two.
Yeah.
Wow, so
Wow.
That's good drinking.
no, we don't drink the water from the old coconuts.
Not from the old ones, right?
Yes.
Ta-da! Ooh.
So this is the
Wow. Yay! Wow.
dried coconut.
Oh, wow.
Ooh, looks so good. Yummy.
Very good. It's harder than it looks.
So you're working out, it's paying off. Works out
Is
every
that
day.
enough or do I have to do this part?
I don't know.
So you chop off the top bits and then you loosen it up a little bit. And then chop up the top bits so don't be afraid of it.
Ah, okay.
Ta-da!
Well done.
Now it's time to chop it.
So you just have to knock it. When you knock it the right way, you will hear the right sound.
Ah,
You will feel it.
okay. See the feeling. Okay.
Yes.
Got the right sound?
Yes.
Woo! Yay! Happy New Year! Yay!
Break it if you want.
That actually wasn't as hard as it
Woo!
looked.
High five! Good job! Are you doing Monty Python, Cedric?
It does kind of sound like a horse flopping.
Okay, ready? And back.
Yay! Ooh, delicious.
Did you want to go? I said no. Oops.
Ooh, yeah.
Doesn't that look clear to compare to the other one?
Oh, that's why they know what they're
Yeah,
doing.
but I think it's because they're fresh and the other ones, they were already
The older, yeah.
older.
Yeah, I just.
Nervous.
Scary.
Over it.
She looks just so calm on it, doesn't it? You know.
She's done her whole life.
Oh my god, that's a bit close. Guess when you've been doing it all your life, yeah. Nice.
Ooh.
Just for me.
Oh,
lovely. You can have
yes,
some.
it is for you.
Lovely, thank you.
Wow.
Oh my life. So good.
Yeah.
Wow. Are you trying the coconut? Oh my goodness. It's so good.
Terima kasih.
How do you like it, Cedric? Is it the most delicious coconut juice?
It's very good.
Yeah.
It's very fresh.
Oh, coconut water.